Genetic concepts. UGC NET Anthropology. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Description box. Please visit the description box for books references. Dear learners, if you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to AnthroNet Academy. Your support really means a lot and keeps me motivated to create more valuable content for you. Big surprise at 500 subs. Once AnthroNet Academy hits 500 subscribers, we're dropping something truly special just for you. A full video revealing 100 powerful, underrated, and must-read books list in Anthropology, complete with author names and insights important for UGC NET exam. 1. Sex-influence traits. Definition. Traits that are expressed differently in males and females, even though the genes are not on sex chromosomes autosomal. Hormonal differences influence how the gene is expressed. Key features. Not sex-linked, genes are on autosomes. Trait expression influenced by sex hormones. One allele may be dominant in one sex and recessive in the other. Example. Pattern baldness. Dominant in males, recessive in females. Genotype BB, bald in males, not bald in females. 2. Sex-limited traits. Definition. Traits that are expressed in only one sex, even though the gene may be present in both sexes. Key features. Genes can be on autosomes or sex chromosomes. Expression is limited to one sex due to anatomical or hormonal reasons. Example. Milk production in mammals, genes present in both sexes, but expressed only in females. Beard growth, genes present in females, but expressed only in males. 3. Modifying genes. Definition. Genes that alter the expression of another gene. They do not mask or block the main gene, but modify its phenotype. Key features. Can increase or decrease the effect of other genes. Affect intensity, timing, or location of expression. Example. Gene affecting the intensity of eye color. Modifiers can make a brown eye gene produce light or dark brown eyes. 4. Suppressor genes. Definition. Genes that suppress or reduce the expression of another gene. Key features. Opposite of modifying genes, they silence gene expression. Can act at the transcriptional or post-transcriptional level. Example. A suppressor gene can inhibit a mutation that would normally cause disease, essentially rescuing the phenotype. 5. Selfish gene. Definition. A concept proposed by Richard Dawkins, suggesting that genes behave in ways that maximize their own replication, sometimes at the expense of the organism. Key features. Emphasizes gene-level selection over organism level. Genes promote traits that help them survive and be passed on. Explains altruism as gene strategy, e.g., kin selection. Example. Worker bees sacrificing themselves for the queen. The gene survives, not the individual. 6. Multiple allelic inheritance. Definition. A genetic trait controlled by more than 2 alleles, even though only 2 alleles can be present in any individual, one from each parent. Key features. Increases genetic diversity. Only 2 alleles are expressed in one person, but many alleles may exist in the population. Example: ABO blood group system. 3 alleles, IA, IB, I. Phenotypes: A, B, AB, O. Summary table of genetic concepts. Concept chromosomal basis expression pattern example. Sex-influenced autosomal varies by sex, hormones, baldness. Sex-limited autosomal / sex-linked only in one sex milk production. Modifying genes autosomal / sex-linked alters expression of another gene eye color shade. Suppressor genes autosomal / sex-linked silences expression of another gene mutation suppression. Selfish gene conceptual gene-centric survival strategy altruism in kin. Multiple alleles autosomal more than 2 alleles in population ABO blood group. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.